Hi guys, today we visited the Marine National Park in Malindi, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of it all. We went for a boat ride. Dada, dada. Sorry, I forgot to take video when we were getting in from the gates. Actually, from Malindi town to the gates, and then to the ocean. But I remembered while we had boarded the boat, so kindly journey with me until we finish. This is just a short video. So here it's us going into the deeper ocean, and there's an island where we will stop and do some swimming. But most of us just enjoyed the breeze. We did not get into the water. And then after that we went to another place where there are a lot of fish, and we fed the fish, and then we came back. So we had fun, especially the babies. And here we are, almost getting out. So this was it all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and this prompts you to visit Malindi next time. When you visit Malindi next time, make sure you go have a boat ride for yourself. It's affordable for even 3 families. When you're enough to fill the boat, that should be 5,000 for you. But if you're more than enough for one boat, you need to hire 2 boats. So that's it, guys, for the marine park. And did I say this is the cleanest beach in the coast? Malindi beach is the cleanest of them all. And I just want to give you the prices too. So at the gate you pay 100 shillings for the parking, and you pay via M-Pesa pay bill. So after that, when you don't have any contact from in here, you go hunting for a boat. So there are very many boats here, so you hire a boat. So they come with the boat operator. So as for us, we were 2 families, and we paid 5,000 for an hour and a half of the ride. There are some tickets you need to purchase as you get into the boat. Not that expensive for a Kenyan. It's 130 shillings. So all children are considered to be 3 years and below. So above that you pay the normal rate, that is 130 shillings. So you must have this ticket before you get into the boat. Otherwise, there's some patrol going around the ocean. So if you're caught with no ticket, you will truly give the one who organized for you get them into trouble, plus yourself. I don't know how much a fine it is, but it is expensive. And also they charge differently for the non-Kenyans. So foreigners pay a bit more. I didn't even inquire, but it's also not expensive. So yes, that is it. So I just wanted to give you some small info, and that's it, guys. See you in my next video. So this is at the gate as we leave, and journey with me for a short while as we get out of Marine National Park. See you guys next time. I love you all.
So